Want to know how to make juicy chicken in a rich, creamy mushroom sauce? Stay with me and let's make it together.
Let's start by slicing up some fresh mushrooms. Then we'll give our garlic a quick chop. Now beat the chicken so it cooks evenly. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan. Add little bit big boneless chicken pieces, then season with salt, black pepper, and paprika. Cook the chicken until it's golden brown. Then remove it from the pan. Now toss in your sliced mushrooms. Sauté until they're soft and golden. Add some chopped garlic and cook until it's fragrant. Now add fresh cream and a little milk. Then mix everything together on low heat. Add the cooked chicken back into the creamy mushroom sauce and mix well. Add Italian herbs and black pepper. Your creamy mushroom chicken is ready. Serve hot and enjoy.